At Brooks Middle School, we have a theme called Pride, and each of these letters represents a key value that we're trying to demonstrate and live, really, at Brooks Middle School. P is for perseverance, R is for respectful, I is for improvement, D is for dedicated, and E is for engaged. Let's take a look at what each one of these words mean. Perseverance is doing something even if it's hard, or if it takes a long time, or if you're working alone. When things are tough, you do it. Some related terms would be endurance and grit. R is for respectful, when we are mindful of others and their feelings or their traditions or cultures. Some related terms would be consideration, thoughtfulness, being polite. I is for improvement, which is making or becoming better. Some related terms would be upgrade, refine, or progress. D is for dedicated. This is when you're devoted to a task or a purpose. Some related terms would be driven, goal-oriented, focused. And finally, E is for engaged, when we participate fully with focus and effort, giving our best, when we're trying and when we're concentrating. All right, let's take a look at the 6.7 creating a GIF project. These are the recommended steps. You want to get started by going into WeVideo and opening up a new project called 6.7. Then you're going to choose one of the words from the Bulldog Pride theme and communicate it using a GIF. We want a 3 to 5 second video clip that shows the meaning and the spirit of the word that you've chosen. Then you'll add some text that will also communicate the essence of the word from the Pride theme. To finish the production, you'll click on Finish and then select the GIF format. Use the small format so that the file is still small. Then you're going to click Export, wait for it to process. This will only take a minute or two at the most because it's such a small file. Then download it. Let's take a quick look at the rubric. I am going to grade 3 things. First is the video content that you choose using one of the WeVideo content clips. At the proficient level, the content matches the keyword of the Pride theme. The higher level, it's really capturing the essence of that word. It reflects the word in an interesting and meaningful way. The second item on the rubric is the text. You want to use the keyword itself. So if I choose persistence, I want to see the word persistence right on the screen. So if that keyword is there and it's easy to read, that's proficient. At the higher level, not only is the word there, but it's formatted effectively, and then the other words around it really communicate the message of that Pride theme. If the text is missing or if it's hard to read, that's where you start to get below proficient. Finally, the last piece that'll be graded for the 100 points is the watching of this video. Guess what? You're doing that right now. So you'll get all 50 points for that. So I've opened up a new project and I'm ready to start my search for good content. I go into the video library and I'm going to use the search bar here to search for the word dedication. The tricky part here is finding content that really captures the idea you want to go for. Now, to be dedicated means to be focused. So I'm trying to look for images that really concentrate on being focused. I may need to look for other keywords. So I couldn't find anything, so I changed my keyword to focus. I think this little eyeball right here is going to be kind of interesting. So I'm going to take the eyeball, bring it down to my video. Now, I only want 3 to 5 seconds of this. So, you're going to have to cut out the part that you don't need. So I'm going to go full 5 seconds. Oh, look at that, right in the spot. So I'm going to clip it and snip it. And I'm going to stretch it out a little bit here on the timeline so I can kind of see it better. And now it's time to get my text. So when you go to text, I recommend using the static text box. It's the very first one here under titles. The text will not move, and that will create a predictable text pattern for you. So when you're working on your text, remember the basics of formatting. Make sure it's easy to read and position in a place that lets the picture show through. Writing original text for a GIF is a creative process, and try to put into focus what's important. When you're ready, click Export. That took about 20 seconds to process, and now I have my video in the export screen, and right down here is my option to download. So I'm going to click on Download. It'll pop right up, and I can even view it in my folder when I see that little window. Okay, let's recap the assignment here. Remembering our main goal here is to create a GIF that communicates one of the 5 words in the Brooks Pride theme. Good luck and have fun.